Hi friends, this is Sadiq. Today I will explain you how to send XML encrypted data uh, over MQ, Active MQ. Okay, so let me create one project here. Create XML encrypted ActiveMQ. Let me create here HTTP object to string. As we have to encrypt, we have to pass a same simple simple string to encryptor. Okay, so this is the source. Let me to the destination receiver. The sender, I will need to create the JMS. JMS I have to put here. I have to put uh, object object to string. Okay. Now I have to put the receiver here and encryption, uh, the object to string, and logger. Let's check for the final input, final output, final log. Okay, so let me define here the connector. It will be okay. XML active from Q. Method I use post. Okay, and this one encryptor I have to use. I have to put the connector here, global element here. I will use the XML, go to the XML, define attributes, key it requires 16, but I am choosing this one, XML path, Sadiq Ali City. Okay, I'll tell you why I put this value here. Okay, and I'm choosing the algorithm as default algorithm ACE 256, and it's okay. And here I'm encrypting the encryption activity I'm doing here, and I will choose here XML encryption, and then I choose the key one. XML path is Sadiq. What I enter, you say the global connector is city here, and default what I selected here AC 126. Okay, this algorithm this do the use this algorithm to encrypt data. Okay, this is the for encryptor, and here we are doing the decryption, and the is we are doing here is the XML encryption, and do also configure the JMS if we are using the queue. As you remember that in the last video I showed you that we have created a queue here, and I made queue configuration here ActiveMQ, and the port. You remember that I changed the port here just to execute the my ActiveMQ in my system, because in my system there is lots of applications running in which we I am using that 61616 port, and this is the username and password. Okay, the same I have to use here. uh, connector. I have to use the connector queue. I have to use the queue name. Okay. So all the configuration is done. And I need to explain you why I entered this value here and connector because I made one request here Sadiq Ali city and state. So this value MZP and this is going to be changed. This value is going to be encrypted and this will travel over in the queue. It encrypted value like this one. Okay, so I'm going to clean this one. I need to copy this one. Okay, I have to use this XML. Okay, and I'm going to use this post HTTP. Okay, I put the test in XML. I use this XML. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I have not started my application. This fail. Okay, in payload I haven't set anything. Let me set the value here. Okay, let's start the application here. Let me see what is the problem. Okay, to support the application, we have to include the jar, the ActiveMQ jar. This is 5.6.0. You have to include here. I hope you guys are aware about this. If not, there is lots of YouTube. You can see that uh, how to connect with the ActiveMQ. But I am assuming that you are aware about the ActiveMQ, and I'm just explaining how to send encrypted over data over the over, with the ActiveMQ. Okay, so now it is started deployed. So I'm cleaning logs here. I'm sending request here. This is XML ActiveMQ. Okay, see the data it traveled over the queue. This value is encrypted. You see here, only this value is encrypted. Rest is okay. Is this Sadiq Ali and it's fine. So see in the final log, I saw it in the final log. You remember that this log is the final log, the final log here, and it got that in the final log you got here this value. There is not is completely is fine value because here in the first flow we have encrypted the request which we have using the connector HTTP connector and sending to the flow and in the queue, and you can just you see here, let me see you in the queue. You see the one request updated, one have listened, one is we received it in the queue and one is already listened. Okay, thank you so much to attending my video, and thanks and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. In next video, I'll share how to send Jesse disencrypted data over the ActiveMQ. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my video, and thanks so much.